Hello good citizens, welcome to my channel, Master Asador channel. My name is Gustavo and today we're going to have a salmon burger, a nice juicy and very tasty salmon burger. It's cooked with fresh salmon and a bunch of spices. We're going to make it simple and tasty. So let's proceed to the ingredients for salmon: garlic, mustard, a bit of olive oil, coriander, breadcrumbs, onions, pepper, salt, and fresh pepper. Then for the sandwich, we will have the bread right here, and then a little mayonnaise. We're gonna use some mushrooms, and I have a little fontina cheese to mix with it. Okay, we're gonna start mixing the ingredients. I'm gonna cut a little bit of garlic, very fine. This is gonna be nice because it will give it a little spiciness, the little light flavor that it needs, so that it's not as pale and simple. Plus, you know, garlic is always good. That should be enough. Okay, now we're gonna do a little onion. We could put the onion with it out, you know, on the burger, but I would like to chop it up and get this blended in with the meat, with the food. This should be good. I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper. So it has a little bit of crunchiness, you know, a little sweetness with it. Okay, so we have the breadcrumbs, not too much. Pepper, some salt. I also wanted to mention I'm gonna get a little fresh parsley with it. Here I have it from the yard. Beautiful, just cut from the yard, from my garden. We're gonna take a little tablespoon of coriander. This will give it a little floral. That should be enough. A little floral and earthy taste. So this you can grind it on the machine if you want, but what I like to do is cut it in small pieces to have pieces chunks, so that like crab cakes, that you are able to bite into it and it's not like all lost in the burger. Put the skin in here, take it off, and we cook it separately. Alright, so now we're going to use a little bit of mustard to bring it all together, a little bit of olive oil, and the extra breadcrumbs. And now we're going to start mixing. It is right. This is looking good. We got 2 out of this. We're gonna cook this on the grill. You can do it on a pan, cast iron pan with butter if you want. But I like to do this on the grill. So we'll be right back. Okay, we decided to make it a disco instead. This is a disco. We call it disco, which is like our frying pan for outside. There we go. Cover this up a little bit. Now we have the mushrooms. I'm going to add the cheese. Very good. Here we have it. We're going to put a little mayo on the bread to accompany this. Then we're going to put a little bit of the skin on top of this. Extra olive oil, just a small touch. See how it looks. Really good. Perfectly cooked, you know, nice. We're going to proceed to taste. Okay, here we go. A little wash. Let's see how it is. Super good. There you have it. The coriander give it that floral and earthy flavor. All the little fresh veggies on this, big compliment, and a little bit of mustard. So you make it really, really tasty. Now we're gonna have a mushroom. Where am I? Here. Fantastic. Thank you all for watching. If you like this channel, we're gonna keep putting videos permanently, perhaps every other week or so. Please subscribe if you want, and check it out for new videos coming up. Thank you very much. Have a good day.